Hi friends, I am Vipul Gatia and welcome to my channel Programming with Vipul. Today I will teach you for how to animated view show when we are uploading an image and video in HTML. Before a day ago, I have trouble when uploading the image and video, but how can I such a thing show to progress of uploading? So I am doing some R&D and finding some result to whenever you are upload some video or audio or image then we can show or view animated view in progress how many percentage view and many may how many MB or KB of that file and its name. So I am using one jQuery library which we are actually implemented in this video. So let's start. Now we go to Google and search Dropzone jQuery plugin. Then come with the new site in Google search, which is dropzone.com. This is the site of our plugin. Now go to dropzone.js and you can see here is one preview for image uploading or video or audio. Here say is drop file here or click to upload. So we are going to click to upload and select one image, and you can see here one image preview of my selected file, its name and how many size of this image. Okay, if you click once again here, then you can select the multiple file and upload here, right? Okay, if you want to upload when at not selected time but when click like submit button or other progress when this come out, you can set also there. uh, and you can see all the usage of this file, how you can use this form in our program. And configuration, you can see here all the configuration demo here given and all the events listed here how to use, and you can see many events here described. So I am implemented one demo and describe. You can see my implemented demo. When I click on image, then it's only show preview. When I click on upload, then it will be coming uploading process. Okay. You can see the uploading process in network. I click on one image select, you can see when upload it's come in the upload file, and you can see here preview. So let's get start with this demo is new for your learning process, right? Okay, so we are creating one new folder, Dropzone new. Here we are creating the new file, save as sample w next dot, right? This is our new, and this is my already implemented file. For VS Code, shortcut of HTML header is exclamation mark and enter. You can see here HTML default or structure are imported here. Now we are adding a new file of Dropzone. We are getting the Dropzone form. Let's go. I am doing not appearing in it. You can see inside element there. My form is available but not appearing in it because of we are not using any element in this form and not adding any file of browser. So for this you can go to installation and you can see installation in here having source link. Click on it. Then we are having one new open link for example of Dogecoin. Here is the two link available which you are implemented in our code. So adding it, then we can use directly from here to adding the form. So now go to our demo and see what's happened. I am doing what? Only adding these two files, which is one is dogzone.js, which is library, and one is the CSS file, which is used for helping to draw this form. Okay. Now we are select and check what's happened. Upload. Okay. Here is having one warning. The requested URL was not found on this server because of here is using upload target, which is not available file in our project or demo. So I am using what? Upload.php and before slash window, because this library if you are using then you need to mention this type of URL. Now here what I am doing one new file, upload.php, right? Now here we are printing some file which is available from our form. Ecopre is used for formatting the files array and exit for normal execution. I am doing what? Just doing refresh, go to network and link all files which is found in this reload page. Now you are select one image on it. Here you can see the call from network section upload.php and here what? File. All the parameters of sending images which are available in upload.php file. Here this is the file. Here you can see the drop zone new upload.php and which we are sending binary data from this URL and you can see this is the preview which is cached from upload.php file. Now we are doing just file uploaded code here and upload our file to the server. If files not equal to empty, what not equal to empty? Like file of file name. File is the default adding one element in this form which is using this library. This library automatically include one file input element which can use when uploading here, right? Now we are doing one folder to upload my file on server. Uploading this, right? Now I am creating file path here which upload this file into this folder, right? For uploading images, video, or audio, having one function in PHP, no uploaded files. It's having two parameters. One is from and other is to. From means uh, this function use the temp, which is our system file. System having temporary storage. This file is here. So we are using temp name, file name, and when you need to upload, it is here. File path with file name. File name is what? We are doing one new name for this file for not overloading process. Here you can use file name. This parameter use this name, but we are doing what? We are doing some change in this file name, like time para function you can use here. So every time when calling this file name is new to this uploaded folder, right? Now comment this section and from over here and upload once again, right? Now you can go to here and see what's happening. This is the new time available and this is our image name. If you are select the multiple image, then you can see here one by one all the images upload. When one by one image upload, it's calling new file, new file, new file all the time, right? If you use this all file in single file uploaded, then you can use one option of this. But therefore you need to custom drop zone form. For custom drop zone form, you can go to here and see how can use this form in custom drop zone class. You need to remove. Then you need to specify in jQuery plugin and you can set the new custom form. I can show you how I am implemented custom form. See, I am doing what? This is my another demo which you can show. Here I am using what? Drop zone. Here using what? Drop zone, but with the needs click and the DZ click. This is what? If you are go to here, this is my another demo. This is my drop zone demo new. This is my before, which process upload when we are posting upload button. So here you can implemented is what? My drop zone form is having my form ID which is initialized here. Drop zone, my drop zone, which is I am getting from here. Now auto process queue false means when I am select images from here, this is not actually doing to upload process, but what? When I am clicking here, then this process is going to upload. For this purpose, auto process queue false, parallel upload, and multiple upload false. Multiple upload false means what? As I say, when I am uploading this whole file, it's all individual file having individual upload. But if you are passing here upload multiple file too, then how many whatever selected images, all images sent in one file, not like multiple file. Okay, if I am doing upload multiple files through here, right? After many events are available in here, like go to event, and you can see this is my add file event. I am having this, and another many events are available like drop, drag start, drag in, drag enter, drag over, drag leave. You can use this all event and implement on your way. After I am doing one button and its name is upload, and I am giving one class to upload form. This is the upload form. When I am click on upload button, you can see I am posting this image to upload.php. See here you can doing your upload process, right? And go into binary file. My dropzone auto process queue calls here and true from process queue here. Now you are see this, if I am having multiple upload through here, then what happens? If I select multiple files, 1, 2, 3, 4, having all file preview, but if I am doing upload, then only one file call, and you can see all the file counts uploaded in here. Right here you can doing your multiple file uploading process using PHP code. Right. So what we are doing today, uploading the file with animated view and preview using the drop change.
Now my demo is complete. If you like my demo, then go to the description section and click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.